Hello everyone, today we will make a double row bracelet. I have some natural beads here, and here I guess you all know what is this. It's from silverberry. These are silverberry seeds. I just drilled them and made two side holes. Also we have some porcupine quills here, as you can see, these little ones. I also drilled them too. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See ya! Well, if you are looking for interesting crafting ideas with natural materials, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much.